Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 24, часть 2, страница 60-61, English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 24, part number 2, page number 60-61. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 60. 60. Grammarland. Past simple irregular verbs. Прошедшее время. Неправильные глаголы. Young boy came into the forest. Break, broke. Can, could. Come, came. Do, did. Drink, drank. Eat, ate. Fall, fell. Get, got. Give, gave. Go, went. Have had. Hear, heard. Lose, lost. Make, made. Read, read. See, saw. Sit, sat. Stand, stood. Win, won. Write, wrote. Мы употребляем past simple, когда говорим о том, что что-то произошло в прошлом. Обычными указателями этого времени является yesterday, last year, 5 years ago, and so on. I played football yesterday. Past simple – неправильные глаголы. Глагол go, went. I went. You went. Did. I did not go. You did not go. He did not go. Неправильные глаголы имеют собственные формы в past simple. Go, went. Come, came. See, saw. Вопрос и отрицание строятся по следующей форме. Did, didn't, плюс начальная форма глагола. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Complete, then listen and check. Go, stand, come, eat, sit. Закончи, затем прослушай и проверь. The answer. Went, sat, ate. Went, stood, came. One day, Harry, Mona, and Emma went for a picnic in the forest. They sat near a big tree and ate their sandwiches. Suddenly, it started to rain, so they went and sat under the big tree. Welcome to the magic forest, a voice said. It was Willow. Then Elvin and Eleanor came to say hello. The children were very happy to meet their new friends. And that's the story of how they all got together. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. What did Tony do last Sunday? Complete the sentences. Что делал Тони в прошлое воскресенье? Закончи предложение. The answer. Got up, made, did, saw, wrote. Number 1. Get up. He got up early. Number 2. Make. He made breakfast for his mom. Number 3. Do. He did his homework. Number 4. See. He saw his favorite cartoon on TV. Number 5. Write. He wrote an email to his friend from Mexico. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 61. Exercise number 3. Read and complete the sentences. Прочитай и закончи предложение. Went. At. Could. Fell. Stood. Wrote. Came. Won. Sat. Got. Number 1. The children went to a pet shop to buy cat food. We ate at a big restaurant yesterday. I could swim when I was 5. John fell off his bike and hurt himself. She stood on the wall and looked around. Number 6. Tina wrote a poem for her teacher. Uncle John came to see us. My team won the football match. They sat at the front of the cinema. Jim got up early yesterday. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. What happened to Lizzie yesterday? Listen and number. Что случилось с Лизи вчера? Послушай и пронумеруй. Yesterday, Lizzie went to the park. She sat under a tree. Suddenly, a little dog came and stood next to her. Lizzie was hungry. She got 2 hot dogs, one for her and one for the dog. They ate them together. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Act out Lizzie's story. Last Saturday, Lizzie went to the park and so on. Разыграйте историю Лизи. Boys and girls, do exercise number 6. Complete the joke. Tell it to a friend. Закончи шутку. Расскажи ее другу. The answer. Saw, was, couldn't. Walked, stood, said, pressed, asked, answered. One day, a man saw a boy across the street. The boy was very small and he couldn't reach the doorbell. The man walked across and stood next to the boy. Don't worry. The man said, I can help you. He pressed the doorbell. Now what? The man asked. answered. Now we run. My dear friend, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.